Welcome to your Mom's Town Minute. I'm Mary and I'm with Kelly Mays of Sniffle Buddies. I love this. Look, I love this for kids because it stops them from touching their face. How many times do kids touch their face in an hour?
80 times in an hour. Adults 18, kids 80.
Well, all those germs. And so instead, if your face itches, they do this.
Right.
I love this because of working out in the gym. All the germs on all the equipment, and then I have a itch.
Yeah, it started for my son just to keep him from touching his germy hands on his face in public areas. And then a friend of mine said, where's the adult one? And that became skiing. And we use it for skiing, hiking, special needs kids for drool.
Okay, so it's for colds.
It's for colds.
Runny nose,
Ideally, still blow
outside.
your nose on a tissue always.
Absolutely.
Wipe sniffles, gotcha.
But you know what? A kid knee-jerk reaction.
It's instinctual.
And let them play outside and not have to rush in. Okay, thank you so much. We can go to snifflebuddies.com to get a bunch of them to carry in your car and at home. Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you.